When you see an Audi in your rearview mirror, your blood pressure spikes. And guess what? You're probably right to panic, because Audi drivers are the absolute worst on the road. And I'm proud to say that I'm one of them. From bullying slow drivers in the fast lane, to parking like the world owes us a favour, we have it all. If you're not doing at least 110 in the right lane, move. This is Audi territory. We don't flash our headlights to ask, we flash to warn. You're either overtaking or you're in the way. If you've never been rear-ended by a chrome-grilled LED scrolling menace, have you ever really lived? Oh, and bonus points. If the car in front is a Prius, nothing gets the Audi rage flowing like a hybrid doing 90. Indicators are for cowards. You see this little stick right here? This is purely decorative. When we switch lanes, we do it like God. Sudden, unapologetic, and assertive. Why signal when I can just exist with confidence? And if you think we'll let you merge, not unless you're an RS6. Respect the hierarchy, bro. We park like we own the lot. Parallel parking? Sure. Within the lines? Debatable. If I paid this much for a car, it deserves space to breathe. Disabled spots? Reserved spaces? Loading zones? We see them as suggestions, a place to park. My car's way too cool to care about the rules. We're just VW drivers with an ego problem. Let's not forget, half of us are basically in a fancy Passat, but we don't drive like it. We manifest RS7 energy even if we're rolling in a diesel A4. You think we care though? That 4-ring badge adds 30 horsepower and attitude alone. Every red light is a starting grid. Enough said, right? If you're not redlining in sports mode, what are you even doing? In a 2024 New Zealand Transport Agency report, it states that Audi drivers receive 19% more speeding tickets than the national average. The road is our autobahn, unless it's raining or snowing, or there's a speed bump, then it's back into comfort mode because German electronics. Are we insufferable? Yes. But are we also the best dressed, best sounding, LED flexing drivers on the road? Also yes. Hate us all you want, just don't try and race us at the lights, unless you like losing to a 2-litre with launch control. Audi drivers are the worst. We tailgate, we don't signal, we act like the road belongs to us, because in our heads, it does. But deep down, you wish you were us. I drive an Audi, I am the problem, and honestly, I think I'm okay with that. Subscribe or I'm going to tailgate you next.